Sustainability is one of those things that's really important to me and our company. I'm always looking towards the future. What are things going to be like in the future? I've got 3 kids, and we need to be intentional about building things that are sustainable today so that when they are grown-ups, they have the opportunities that we have, and they inherit the environment that we leave behind. So we need to be really intentional about doing a good job being sustainable with our construction, being sustainable with our company activities, being intentional about taking care and shepherding the environment for our kids and the next generation. That's why it's important to me personally. And I believe our company represents that, and so many of our team have kids and they are concerned about the environment, they're concerned about the future, and they want things to be at least as nice as they are today for their children and the future generations that are coming. The construction industry has for many years not been very sustainably minded, and I think there's a lot of reasons for that. But in the broader picture, contractors have a big influence on the built environment. Sometimes that's picking out materials that have less impact on the environment. Sometimes that's helping clients to pick materials that are less toxic, so fewer plastics in our homes, adhesives that aren't toxic, finishes and paints and things like that that are less toxic. Builders have a big opportunity to really shape our environment and create safe, healthy living places for people. One of the other pieces, of course, is not just in the construction and the materials that go into the house, it's the act of building the house. So we've taken our company to an electric fleet, which is powered by our solar panels. My work vans running to and from Home Depot, to the lumber yard, back to the house, to the job site, back to our shop. All those trips are powered by the sun, so that's a fair bit of exhaust that we're not putting into the environment. The other piece is transitioning our new houses that we're building into houses that aren't run off of natural gas. We now allow ourselves to run the house off of heat pumps, which is using electricity. In this house in particular, we built this house as a net zero house, which means that we produce enough solar on the roof in the summertime to carry us through the winter. Our solar panels on this house generate all the electricity we need for the heating, the water heating, the cooling, all the appliances. In a sense, we're not causing an impact to the rest of the planet because we're generating all that electricity we need here, and we're able to use it to power all the things in this house, which I see as a really impressive target for a lot of homes and a lot of projects that we're working on. I think there's a lot of benefits with incorporating sustainability into our construction process. We're building homes that are very comfortable, have great indoor air quality, they're going to be wonderful places for people to live in, and that has a ton of value for our clients. Even though they may not realize it, they're going to be really proud of that work that we've done.